So we are on a BSC Expo on the Aputure booth with the European cousin of Ted.
European cousin of Ted.
Menno. So on the show you're showing the 4 kit with the MC lights and the 12 kit. And these are the final products I hear?
Yeah, so these are the final products. So during IBC we already shown like the prototype 12 kit case. Ja, ben je er nog? So this is the final case that we have right here for the 12 kit. Cool little extra, let me put this one on the side. Feature that we have right now is the drawer. So I like to draw a little bit so you can see.
Oh, nice.
So we have the drawer where you can fit all your accessories and cables in.
What will be included in the drawer?
What will be included in the 12 kit will include like 4 silicone diffusers and foldable heads with the M3 Velcro. That will be included. 2 USB-C cables and 1 D-tap coiled cable. So you can power the whole, if you walk here, case via V-mount battery when you're on location as well. Of course you will also have the AC cable running through the wall to power the whole kit.
This is a normal...
This is like a normal
C13 plus.
Yeah, exactly. So what you also have is like you have 12 places to wirelessly charge the MC. Also USB port, so if you're using your phone with the Sidus Link app, you can also charge your phone while using it with the case as well.
Really nice.
And then a lot of people were asking for this
I
during
was really
NAB
asking
and
for
IBC.
it. I mean, for me in 12
You're the
kit
one.
is way too much.
You're the one who did it. So this is the Victor Bart case that we have, the 4-piece Victor Bart case. So it's a 4-light travel case, same as the 12 kit. Nutric cable that charges the whole case. Again, also wireless charging. 2 USB ports to charge your phone. And in addition, because this doesn't have a drawer, we'll have a pouch that will fit all the accessories that comes with the case as well. So you have
nice.
here you have your 2. It's not even here. Somebody stole it already. 2 silicone diffusers and a place where you can hold your cables, and that's about it.
Awesome.
Are you happy with your 4 kit?
Yes,
the Victor
I'm
Bart
really
4
happy.
kit? Branded here.
Yeah.
It's like by Victor Bart.
So the app started only on iPhone, but there's now also the Android app I hear.
Yeah, the Android app is also available. Still both beta testing, by the way. So
Okay.
iPhone and Android, but the beta test just works as fine as the regular one. 12 light kit will be available in April. We'll ship in April. The 4 light kit will ship in March.
Okay.
4 light will be approx 500 euros. 12 light will be approx 1400 euros.
Okay, and the single one?
Single one is 90 euros.
Okay, and that's already on the market?
That's already in the market. It was released, I think, what was it, like October-ish?
Yeah, some
September,
people are already shooting
October.
with it.
A lot of people are already shooting with it. For the people that have multiple MCs already and just want the charging case, the charging cases will be available later this year as a spare, as a
awesome.
standalone. Same goes for the silicone diffusers. If you want more spare parts, you can buy those.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.